Another Leaf production.
Baby, just vibe, just vibe, just vibe. Oh. Baby, just vibe, just vibe, just vibe. Oh. You know what I need, I know what you need. What's a plan B when it's guaranteed? Love don't cost a thing, but it never free. All this energy between you and me. Now she wanna ride, now she wanna love. Ripping on that ass when we kissing drugs. I don't wanna know about nobody else. How you gon' love me if you don't love yourself, babe? I know you can tell what we need to do. Hop up in my ride, yeah, I gotta see for you, babe. I can feel your vibe, we got plenty room. Me and you tonight, yeah, it's just me and you, babe. Just vibe, just vibe, oh. Baby, just vibe, just vibe, just vibe, oh. For sure, oh, 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 oh. Yeah, you know how it go when we all alone. If you need someone, baby, lean on me. Cause tomorrow, girl, ain't guaranteed, no. Just vibe, oh. Baby, just vibe, just vibe, just vibe, oh. I know you can tell what we need to do. Hop up in my ride, yeah, I gotta see for you, babe. I can feel your vibe, we got plenty room. Me and you tonight, yeah, it's just me and you, babe. I know you can tell what we need to do. Hop up in my ride, yeah, I gotta see for you, babe. I can feel your vibe, we got plenty room. Me and you tonight, yeah, it's just me and you, babe. It's just me and you, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today is day 4 of me wearing this hair, and I know somebody's gonna be like, how the heck you go from doing an install to being day 4? So I will leave a video on the other side of me finishing up the hair and showing you everything, but once I started editing, I wanted to go ahead and show you all how this hair would act after 4 days. Reason being is because of the price of the hair. I'm not the one to just slap some hair in my head, especially the price of this, and then be like, oh yeah, this hair is good, and the price not being justifiable. So I went ahead and waited 4 days, and I did test this hair. There was no bonding. I used like hair ties. I did everything that a normal person would possibly do with this hair, and I just went ahead and re-flat ironed it, and this hair is just awesome. So as you can tell, I don't know if you can really tell or whatever from the video, but I cannot fit this wig. This is day 4, and I did use the Got to Be glue method. I am starting to come up right here, but I think mainly it is because I can't fit this wig. So it was already a tight fit, and it was already like not coming down like how I usually have it. So this hair did come with the adjustable straps already connected to it. So they're like right here, right above my ear. And I really do like the concept. I love the concept of the adjustable straps, but I feel as though that maybe they should have a option of the adjustable straps being skinnier. So I feel like this is just too thick. And up here, this matches the same thickness that is up here where they have it stitched. And I actually had to bring it up and like tuck it behind my ear. You can't cut, because then you would be cutting into the adjustable straps. So I feel as though is that maybe they can have this, and then like you can have that option of having a small adjustable strap or a thick one like this. So this is going to be the Brazilian version hair. This is a 20-inch, and I feel as though that maybe this might be a 22, about a 22-inch. Yeah, I think it might be like a 22 or almost a 24, because my 24s usually come down almost to my waist. So I would say this is about 22. So I feel as though you definitely get a bang for your buck when it comes to the length. So this is going to be their 4.5 parting space. They do have a, I think it's a 5.5. I think it's a 5.5 parting space that they also have, but this 4, as you can tell, is long. And I do already want to address that the knots are already, look, don't, excuse my nails, okay? Finals was this week, so I have not been worried about my nails. I didn't even put no concealer because, as you can tell, it literally looks like scalp. Like, they weren't over bleached or anything. Let me go ahead. Where? And it's like that all the way around. I mean, as soon as I can part this, but as you can tell, it's like this all the way around. There you go. So, yeah, like, these knots that came bleached, I was just like, you know what, I'm not even going to use no concealer because most definitely, they definitely was a 10 on 10 on that. This is a light brown lace. This is definitely blended in with my skin. So this is a pre-plucked hairline, and I threw away the hair, but I'm going to be showing you also on the video how much hair that I had plucked. And so it definitely came pre-plucked, but I like to go ahead and just pluck a little bit more. I don't like to bald the front of my frontals because I don't think that's cute. And I feel as though somebody probably gonna dislike for that. But I don't think balding your frontals in the front is cute. And it, to me, it doesn't look realistic. Unless you're possibly laying down baby hair. Would I recommend this hair? Most definitely. I would definitely recommend this hair, especially for the price. Now, this is their 130% density. As you can tell from the video that when it's a fresh wash, it looks literally like 150, 160 density. Once you flat iron it, it definitely gives you that 130 vibe. So if you want bigger hair, then most definitely go up. You definitely want to go up into like maybe the 150 range. Now let's go ahead and get down to the winner of the last wig. So since the other person never claimed the wig, the new winner will be Miss Dawn Campbell Rivers. I think that's how you say it. I will definitely leave it across the screen. But it would be Miss Dawn Campbell Rivers. And so, honey, you have 2 days to claim this wig. Now, this is the second person, of course. If Miss Dawn Campbell Rivers does not claim this wig, then I just will be throwing it on my site and selling it. I was going to wait till after Christmas to put my site up, but then I was like, a lot of people has been emailing me, so I was just like, okay, let me go ahead and put it up before Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe. And then also, if I am doing giveaways, please make sure you turn on your post notifications because it's a giveaway. I'm not going to contact you and tell you you won the giveaway. Like I always said, this is free hair or free whatever that I'm giving away. And so I will always put it in the next video after what I post, always. And so happy holidays, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.